believe everything you see on social media. What if everything on Instagram is really fake? The best mornings start at the airport. Okay, the caption is ready, and now I need a pic to match. Photos of my passport with my boarding passes are a must. Take a ton of pictures. The right one will be worth it. Look, the plane! Did you get a picture? A photo with a suitcase? Absolutely! Well done! Where do we go from here? To the check-in? Sorry, no need for that today. The tickets aren't real. Can't wait to get home and post my pictures. And an empty suitcase is way easier to carry. What kind of girl can resist beautiful flowers? They smell so nice. It's like a tropical paradise. What does a bouquet in your Instagram feed mean? That's right, success in your personal life. And the more flowers you have on your page, the more your partner must love you. You need to take a picture just like this. Awesome! Well, if you haven't gotten any flowers in a while, you can always buy them for yourself. I'll take them. I love myself this much. But flowers aren't enough for true popularity. Cooking is another top trend for Instagram stars. So, take a baking tray, cover it with parchment paper, and place the buns you bought on it. There's no need for your followers to know that you got them at the grocery store. They smell so good! Decorate them with more herbs. First, take pictures of the culinary masterpiece itself, and then of yourself with a tray in your hands. #HomeChef. With the caption, "Cooking got me completely exhausted, but these buns are delicious." Generating content is so hard. What else should I surprise my followers with? Maybe I should change my look? I wonder if dark hair will look good on me. On the other hand, no need to rush when my friend just got her hair done. Will you be my donor? Well, my hair donor, of course. And now her hair is decorating my face. You just need to sit behind me and tilt your head forward. Your curls are so soft. Pick the perfect angle so no one can see where my hair really comes from. Hey, guys, I'm a brunette now. Do you like my new look? Let me know in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mantras, chakras, asanas. Oh my! You have yoga class today, which means it's time to surprise your followers with your stretches. The first rule of sports club: if you didn't take a selfie in class, then you didn't work out. A mandatory photo at the gym, like this. Or should you pose like this? Doesn't look very good anyway. So what do we do? Hey, help me out! I'm not flexible enough. Wow, what a stretch! Click! One more shot. And another one. And a few more to make sure there's enough to choose from. A friend's legs are the secret to incredible flexibility. Why suffer for a photo when you can cheat a little? What a great effect! My friend goes even further and uses this life hack for her vlog. Dear subscribers, would you like to learn how to stretch like this? Then click like and sign up for my yoga marathon. #YogaEveryday. Office work? What could be more depressing? Will a beach paradise wallpaper cheer you up? I wish I could be there. What do I have for lunch? Hot dogs? Hot dogs? A beach? I have an idea. Take 2 hot dogs in your hand. Bring them up to the screen. Looks exactly like my legs. It's like they are covered in sunscreen. A few pictures and my followers are so jealous of me. And the hot dogs are even more delicious. Looks like our online conversation is gonna lead to a first date. Oh, he's asking me to send a photo. Snapchat forces, make me look like a gorgeous kitty. Oh, here, it's the perfect filter. And finally, we can go on our date. Sorry, who are you? I'm waiting for a gorgeous kitty. And you don't have ears or a cat nose like you did in the picture. Oh, actually, I forgot to put the cat filter on. Just wait a minute. Here come the ears And the cute small nose. Now do you recognize me? Well, it's nice to finally meet you in real life. Meow meow. To meet the guy's expectations, take a piece of shiny foam paper. Draw a small ear with a marker. Fold the sheet in half and cut out the ears. Cut out pink middles and white fur. And also a shiny pink nose. Hot glue the parts together. Attach the ears to a headband. Times change, and kitties from Instagram are making their way into reality. All these celebrities are losing weight and sharing their stats online. Maybe I should try it out too? Where's my scale? That's not a nice number. What if I took off my sweatshirt? It's not working! Maybe the socks too? No effect either. What if I stand on one foot? Well, no, that's a lie that will come out quick. That's right, weigh yourself while you were sitting down. There we go, my perfect weight. I'm ready for summer. Every diva should have a picture with a fashion magazine. I'll put it on my knees. Something's wrong. How long have my legs been like this? I need to change my pose. But it's still not turning out. To make sure this doesn't happen, move to the very edge of the bed. And wow! When there's nothing underneath, the legs seem much thinner. The difference is huge! How do I caption this picture? Any ideas? There are so many cars in the parking lot and not a single good one. They are either cheap or dirty. Oh, finally, a great one! I'll stand by the driver's door. Something is wrong with this angle. Selfie sticks are an amazing invention. That's much better. Powerful looks, a serious face, because I'm the driver of such a fancy car. Oh, you must be the owner. This is awkward. Let's pretend you didn't see anything. Okay, I'm gone. Your account isn't complete if you don't have any pics of Apple products. Except in reality, you don't have any. I wish I had a new tablet. But what is this? An iPad photo shoot? And how did I live without this tablet before? Are you taking congratulations for your first iPad? Bigger, bigger Apple stickers! It's done! Post it to your story. Oh, too bad it's just a notebook with an Apple logo. Make sure that your followers don't suspect anything. My friend has some real drama. It's some kind of nightmare. I can't handle it. Look how happy they are. Getting a marriage proposal in such a beautiful place? It hurts to look at. What about me? I deserve romance too. Absolutely. And now we're going to make it happen. Pull up the right photo. The Eiffel Tower will be great. Take a nice gift box. Put a ring in it. Display the picture of the Eiffel Tower on your laptop. You hold it and I'll take the pic. Now put the ring on your finger. That's great! Those pictures are gorgeous! Wow! Now all your followers will definitely be jealous. Come on, let's party! The set is ready. Look at these neon lights. There is one important detail left. Drinks! Take pictures of the bottles and post an invitation to your story. Everybody come to the party! It'll be fun! Our guest will be here soon. But what's this mini bar? Are all the bottles mini? Who were you expecting anyway? Gnomes and ants coming to see you? Really? Yeah, this is all expectation versus reality. Oh, whatever. The picture is just at a slightly wrong angle. And anyway, a lot of alcohol is bad for your health. You can't do your makeup without taking a selfie. Don't worry, we won't let that happen. All you have to do is apply your eyeliner and blend the eyeshadows to make it look great. And now you can take a picture. Post the picture to your story. Decorate it with stickers. And you can wash your face with a feeling of accomplishment. It's a good thing it's only half your face. Why apply it on your whole face? You usually only take a picture of your best side, so don't waste time. That's brilliant! Did you like our Instagram secrets? Which one of these tricks will you surprise your followers with? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe to our channel, and remember to click the bell so you don't miss the newest life hacks for your Instagram from Troom Select.